That's a nice smile.
Good morning, guys.
It is just me and Felix awake at the moment. Daddy's actually gone away to a day festival, so he stayed overnight. So yeah, it's just me and the boys. I feel really tired.
I'm a girl.
You're not a girl, you're a boy.
No, I'm a girl.
You're a boy,
I'm
a
a
girl.
girl.
What's mummy then?
You're a boy, I'm a girl.
Right, okay. I'm gonna go and make Felix some breakfast soon. I'm so tired. I feel like, well, when Scott's away, I always end up going to sleep so much later because I just can't, like, relax as such. Yeah, I normally go to sleep at like 10, half 10, and I didn't go to sleep till near at 12, so I feel really tired. So yes, this is just going to be a little day in the life vlog. We don't have many plans today, probably just mainly staying at home. I have another boy awake. What have you got there, young man?
Apricot.
Apricots. This guy loves an apricot, don't you?
Yeah.
What we
I
make?
eat it all.
You can eat it all. We're just making some porridge.
I eat it all.
What are we going to put in your porridge? We have got dried apricots, cinnamon, peanut butter, and then we mix it all up. And then where does it go? Where does your porridge go?
Yeah.
Oh, it goes in your mouth and in your tummy. Yum, yummy. Currently doing intermittent fasting, which quite a lot of people seem to be doing at the moment. My friend Lara was doing it, and then, or is doing it, told me about it, told me about the benefits, and I thought actually that's something I could probably do, but I won't go on about it in this video. But if you are interested in hearing more, I will make a separate video on what I'm doing. So basically I eat between the hours of 10 and 6. So yeah, I've done Felix's breakfast. Harry doesn't have his breakfast till a little bit later. And I'm gonna go and sit and chill for a little bit. There is nothing I love more than sitting in my living room and just looking out onto a sunny garden. It's so sunny today. I don't know how well you can see that, but the sky is really blue. Right, I want to show you this really cool new gadget today that I really wish I had had sooner, especially when my kids were younger babies. Let me unbox it and I'll show you what it is. So this tiny device is actually pretty powerful and very useful. It's called ClearScan and it's a portable UVC sanitizer pen, and it looks just like a pen. It has a 99.99 sanitizing rate for coronavirus, and I've been using it so much. You simply push the clip upwards until it clicks, press the power button for a second, and it's good to go. And then you position the lamp within 3 centimeters of your desired object and let it do its thing. It's perfect for things like phone screens, as we're constantly touching those, so imagine the germs knocking around on them. Gross. I've also been using it on Felix's dummies and bottle straws, and now I'm kicking myself that I didn't have something like this when he was little. I really wish I'd had this back in the pandemic, especially for things like trolley handles. So this is something I use this for all of the time, because a trolley handle to me is just somewhere a little bit gross. Like, how many people have touched that today? So I literally have been popping this in my handbag and just zooming it across the handle of the trolley. My hair has literally gone from super curly this morning to now absolutely dead straight. I actually had a Brazilian blow dry the other day, also known as like a keratin blow dry. It's where they basically put all this like keratin treatment into your hair, and it's so good. It literally makes your hair really silky smooth. So my hair is naturally curly. I can still curl it and I can still wear it curly, but it stops it from going frizzy and it's just so much more kind of like silky. But it's really weird because when I blow dry it, it just blow dries straight like this, which is just so unlike my normal hair. Finally time for me to have something to eat. It's now 10:30. I am starving. What are we gonna make?
Pancake.
I always use this recipe that I'll link it below actually. It's from Grace Good Eats, and I always think it's a really good pancake recipe. Somehow the stars seem to have aligned and Felix has gone to play so I can enjoy my pancakes and my tea. This is what I've got. Pancakes with Biscoff and strawberries, a cup of tea, and yeah, it's out 11 o'clock, so I've actually fasted for longer than I expected to. But yeah, feeling good.
The Spider-Verse on Spotify.
Mom, can I show you?
Harry, you do realise it's like midday. It's midday and you're in bed still. Scott has just walked through the door and he's feeling a little bit worse for wear, bless him. I'm gonna pick up, I think I'm gonna get us a pie and some veg for dinner. Even though it's like quite warm outside, I just really fancy something really comforting for dinner this evening. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up a pie, some veg, and just pick up some essentials for the week. Felix has gone down for a sleep. Harry has finally dragged himself out of bed and is eating his lunch. I'm letting him have a pyjama day. Felix is still in his pyjamas as well. I just feel like on a Sunday, why not? I remember when I was younger, I used to always be in my pyjamas all day on a Sunday. We're not going anywhere, so there's no pressure to really get dressed, so why waste the clothes? Felix and I have come on a little walk because as much as I love the idea of staying at home all day, I just can't do it. I'm watching. He had a nice 2-hour sleep, so yeah, I need to go and burn his energy off for the afternoon. This has got some treasures, haven't you? What have we got?
We've got some flowers, lettuce.
Lettuce. It's a leaf. Believe it or not, it's actually night time. The kids are going to bed. Well, I say the kids, Felix has gone to bed. Harry is still up and will probably be up until like 10 o'clock. He doesn't go to sleep till really late. It's so annoying. But yeah, I'm going to sign off. I'm going to watch Love Island and I will see you in my next video. Bye.